Okay, so Sociocaster is an all-in-one Facebook updating system. Now, my wife and I, we run multiple pages across Facebook, and if you're not on Facebook, it's a traffic source you should be focusing on. It right now is the hottest traffic source, and a lot of people are making money through either Facebook ads, their Facebook posts, and a lot of businesses are really interested in running Facebook pages over this platform as well. So this is one of our Facebook pages. This is one that's active right now. It's called Traveling Entrepreneurs. It's a way that we use to store content that we're posting as we travel around. We have a fan base, a small fan base, but a fan base that follow our posts and are interested in what we do. We have to update this on a regular basis in order to keep engagement high on our page, and businesses need to do the same. If you're doing this on Facebook yourself, if you're running a Facebook page, you should be looking to post content on a regular basis that's interesting and that is going to capture people's attention. But how do you actually go ahead and do that? Well, you'd have to do it manually. Unless you've got a social media updating account, you'd have to go over here, you'd have to update your posts manually on a regular basis. That's where Sociocaster comes in. Sociocaster is a software that automates the entire process of social media marketing, allowing you to not just manage one page on a regular basis and post content there on a regular basis, but manage 10, 20, almost 50 pages if you wanted to, and do it within a matter of just a few minutes a day. It's a software that's going to automate your entire process, and it also allows you to have outsourcers really easily come on and actually do the updates for you. You can use CSVs and upload those CSVs to the Sociocaster account, or you can use some of the many other content options you have inside of Sociocaster that you can leverage in finding content from around the web to post to Facebook. So you don't have to think yourself, you don't have to go and search through Google and find new ideas. Sociocaster does everything for you. It even posts the content, and it will give you the opportunity to schedule everything to go out over the next month, the next 2 months, the next year, as you would want it to be posted for a client of yours or in your own business. So I encourage you to watch the demo that I'm about to go into in just a moment now, and have a look at how Sociocaster can really help you in your social media to make things a lot easier, save you a lot of time, and also increase the amount of money you can make managing pages for clients, because you can handle a lot more pages or bring on outsourcers, or you can do it in your own business. You can make a lot more money in your own business posting more frequently, posting more content out across Facebook, and doing far more over Facebook. There's quite a bit to the software, and it did take me a little bit to learn all the different bits and pieces that are inside of it. The training is very good, so I really encourage you, if you get access to this today, to go through that training. First of all, it's a content creator, it's a poster, and it's also a post creator. So you can find content to post, and you can post it on an automatic basis, so it can actually go out on a monthly basis, a yearly basis, and also it will help you to design certain posts if you really want to stand out. So first, we're in the content section right here. This is our content section. This is our posting section. This is where all the posts take place, where we can load up our pages. As you can see here, I've got my pages that I may want to update to, and then also I've got different types of posts that we can upload into the system or update with. We've got analytics then on how well our posts are going, and then we've got training as well inside of the system. So as you can see, it covers a big spectrum of your social media marketing. The first place you should start with this software is the content section. All right, so if you're looking to find content to post, first you can go and gather a bunch of content which you can post. You can do that with one of the most important sections of this software, which is the content box. You can create what's called content boxes, and what this content box will do is it will give you the ability to add content into that box for specific pages. So you can actually group your pages, add certain content in there that you can reach into and update on a regular basis automatically. I'll show you how that works and why that's important. The whole process in finding content is to find content you're going to post. So let's go and discover some content right now. As you can see here, we've got crazy photos we can search for. We can find content in here. If we like a particular post, we can choose to share it, or we can actually go and update to our content box. And again, I'll show you how this content box is going to help your business as we go through. And you can save, you can have multiple content boxes. You can save certain types of content to your content box and update through there. Or if you wanted to update right away, I could select a page and click post now, and it's going to post to that page. Now, I need to fill out some content. Hey, check out this, and we can post right now to my page. There we are, successfully posted. I've already posted to my Sandbacker page this image right here with a description. Really quickly and really easily. You can also schedule and post through the system as well. So you can find when you need posts, if you were looking for some amazing pictures to post to a nature channel, a traveling entrepreneurs channel like we've got, or another channel like that, you can search through and find that content. It also has links to social media, all right, different social media posts that are around social media you can repost on your Facebook page, on your additional other pages, and you can just grab this content that's being posted around social media already, and you can save it to your content box, or you can go ahead and actually share it directly. So you see how that works. You can also search by keywords. So say, for example, I wanted to search fitness. I can search on Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, and Flickr for different posts about fitness. It's going to come up with my different posts or different posts that it finds, and then I can search through these different posts on Facebook, on YouTube, and Flickr and find the content that really works for my audience. I can either save it to the content box again, or I can share it immediately on my page. I could also post later if I wanted to as well. You can already see how quickly and easy this software is to really use and start working. I've already posted and created a couple of different posts. You can also post from videos about fitness right here as we search through. Or if you wanted to, you could actually see what's happening around the social stream. So you could actually post, find different posts on Facebook. You can browse a certain keyword, so it might be make money, for example, and you can search for that content around the web or around Facebook or YouTube or wherever you want, and it's actually going to go and give you a bunch of different pages, and you can grab the content from those pages and select the content from those pages that's best for your audience. So you're seeing how this can make it really easy to update posts on Facebook. This feature itself is kind of like what you had with Sociocaster. It takes things a little bit in a different direction, but still really, really quite useful, and you'll be able to grab content from those pages. All the content will post here, and again, you can click a particular piece of content you like. You can either post it directly or save it to your content box, and I'll tell you what the content box is in just a moment. You've also got templates, all right? You can actually build off your templates. Now, this is built from the creators of Usign. So if you have Usign, you can actually add Usign and integrate it into the system, and you can actually create your graphics through Usign and post directly to Facebook. You can then save those templates, you can add more templates, or you can just grab, the templates, the different templates that are around in this section software and update them, design or add to them as you want, as you can see I'm doing right now. A drag and drop editor, so you can design these updates for Facebook as you want as well. So really, really cool. When you're ready, once you've played around enough, you can then post this again. Do you see how easy it is? It's really quite cool. I really like the ease of this, and also the fact that you can just click. You can then go ahead and design what you want. You can add different content sections. You could say go here now. You can change it as you want. You can add whatever additional layers or different images you wanted. Images here, you can add backgrounds, you can add different graphics as you want that they've got in the side of the system. All of that's all possible through this. You can grab different stock images that they've built into the system, add them into your posts as well, or you can create quotes through the system. It's all really quite easy to do through the system. You can either download it now, or you can go ahead and share it on Facebook, or you can save it as well. So again, if we wanted to, we can save that to the content box. Alright, so now we're going to go and have a look at our content box. Now this is the content box right here. One of the reasons that I really like this content box here is it actually gives you the ability to post these either directly from the content box as you gather content together, or as you'll see in the posting section, we can actually post these or schedule these the content in the content box to post on a monthly basis. So it rotates the post basically. So it continues to post on a monthly basis, a weekly basis. So you can basically have 100 posts in your content box, and then it'll randomly post those 100 posts randomly the next month, So a really cool feature about this software. There's also other types of posts you can do. You can do a link gate over Facebook. So this is a post that will come up over Facebook, and it will basically encourage someone to take an action in order to get access to a discount. It might be to subscribe. It could be an image that they need to click. It could be a like button they need to click. You can customize these images and post them inside of Facebook. You can add the link gate to here. You can preview what it's going to look like, and here is our link gate right here. So as you're creating your content, you can add a different style post, such as a link gate, and it's going to actually pop up a popover over your content. So say for example you wanted to post an interesting article onto the web. What you can do is you can create one of these. You can add your opt-in, you can add your name, add your email, and then when someone subscribes, you capture a lead out of that, then they go to the content. So it's kind of like a couple of softwares you may have seen of mine before. Rocketbar was one of them, and Social Cloud Suite. It does what those two softwares do. You can create that through the system and add that into your different updates as you're going as well. Also, we've got a Socio player. Now this is getting even more advanced, and I believe this is still on the front end that we're actually looking at this. What this gives you the ability to do is actually put in these updates right here into the Facebook newsfeed and capture leads from inside of the Facebook newsfeed. You can do that through the system. You can design this with the images you want. You can upload new images if you wanted to as well, and you can customize this to look how you want it to look. So you could customize it, you could say subscribe, then after that you can redirect someone to wherever you want them to go. Another really cool part of the software. So as you can see, there is a huge or large range of different posting options you have and you can be in control of over the system as well. You can create coupons that post through Facebook that when people click those coupons, it'll go to a specific website. Or if you wanted to, you can even create videos, right? Videos that pop in, that play on Facebook, and then again can allow you to generate leads from those videos. So really cool. Again, different types of content you can add through this system, allowing you to manage all of your social media. Now we've got the bookmarklet. Now what the bookmarklet allows you to do is it allows you to grab different content basically as well. Now I believe that it's not up for my particular version. I believe it might be an upsell feature, but there'll be more details in the walkthrough about that as well. It was working on the last login I had, but for this one it doesn't seem to be. I believe it might be a, there it is. I know what it is. It's a, I believe it's a browser extension that will allow you to grab content from around the web. You'll be able to find more about that on the sales page. I might actually update down below exactly what that does. Cool. So you can see there's quite a bit of content to cover here. So this is our post section now. So now we're into the second section. Now the post section gives you the ability to post all of these things automatically out as you want. It's more efficient than the content posting section, and for that reason it's going to be a lot easier as well to do that. So it's got my content that I've posted in the past or scheduled up. Scheduled content is at the top, and the successfully posted content is down the bottom as well. So now we choose which pages we want to update. So say for example I wanted to update this page again. We could then choose to update just a status. We could choose to update a image and share that image over Facebook. So I could add a image file, for example. I'll add this logo right here. Cool. What you think of my logo, and I can post now. Post it now. It's posted to this page right here, and then as you'll see, if we want to preview this post, we can actually choose to click the link here and it will actually show me the post where it's been posted. Now as you can see, these are the posts that have been posted. Now I didn't realize it before, but I was actually selecting my LinkedIn profile and I was posting to LinkedIn. So there you go. Proof that the LinkedIn posting works very efficiently. So let's try now that this is Twitter and this I believe is Facebook. So let's try a Facebook post now. So if I say wanted to share a link, I can say, hey, check out this. I can then add in a link, say to sambacker.com, or I could add in a custom link if I wanted to, and then I can post that now. So hey, check out this. Post this now, and let's see if it'll post to my Facebook. Cool, there we are. My link is created, linked to the post. I can go over to Facebook, and as you'll see, hey, check this out. My post has just been posted over to Facebook for my Facebook page. So again, very quick and easy to use. Now let me show you the next couple of types of posts you can do. So first, if you want to bulk post, you can actually download a sample of a CSV that has a bunch of posts written into it, and you can add to the CSV right here. So you can have like 100 posts added in, you could write in 1,000, you can get an outsourcer to customize a bunch of different posts for a specific page of yours or a client's page, and within the space of a few seconds, you can upload the CSV into the software right here. All right. you can click schedule or success. It'll basically say successful, and it will schedule those posts to go out on the specific days and times. This is a time-saving feature of the system. You can add in custom links, you can add in text, you can add a link, custom link, all sorts of different posting options you can add within this system as well, using this particular feature. Now we've got the content box. Now I'm really looking forward to show you this because it's probably the most efficient and effective way of using this software. So you notice that I mentioned the content box quite a lot in the content section here. So I was constantly saying, I'm adding something to the content box, I'm adding something else to the content box, I'm adding something else to the content box. This is the content box. And you can actually create your content box here, by the way. So say, for example, I wanted fitness content in one specific box, I wanted online marketing content in a specific box. I can do that, and then I can add my content to those specific different pages. Inside of the post section, it gives you the ability to schedule in the posts inside of your content box that you've added really easily between a certain time, or if you wanted to, and I'll just go to my content right here, I could select that content to go out once every week, or once every couple of hours, or once every 3 days. So I could actually have that content in my content box posting at the times that I wanted it to post over and over again. So I could choose every week, I could choose every 12 hours. If it was a client's page, it might be every 4 hours. That's a really good time to post to a client's page. And I could also select which start time it has and which finish time it has as well. So I can select a start time and a finish time, and this is one of the best parts of the software. This is why, or one of the unique factors of this software that I haven't seen in other software, which just is a really, really good idea. So I could select, say for example, one particular page of mine. I could select the content box that matches that particular page. I could then schedule that content to go out. Then I could go ahead and I could select another page, and I could select a different content box and then select that content to go out. So you're seeing how this is quite automated. It's really quite automated. So if you're doing this in your business, you'll be able to basically select which content you want to use, the repetition, how often you want it to happen, and then when you want to post. And it gets even better than this. Let me show you this section right here. This is where I added my accounts. You'll see here that I added 3 accounts from LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook. Inside of this system, if you get the upgraded account, I believe it's on the front end, the upgraded account, you can actually add sub-users, organizations, you can add clients of yours into the system and manage their entire network or multiple clients within the system and organize them really, really easily through the system so you don't get lost either. So say for example, you had a client, you could add that client in. My client is Fitness Gym, and I've added this in right here, create organization. I've then got Fitness Gym in my organization. I can then add users into this organization and social accounts that are specific to this organization. So I could add someone, say an outsourcer of mine that I had hired to manage all of the social media accounts inside of this organization. I could add that user in here, and then that user manages all of my updates going out to that organization. You can kind of see how that works, right? So it's a really easy way of managing the social media for all of your clients. You can also, if you want to, say for example you had 2 outsourcers, you can add sub-users that can go in here and run this whole business for you, so you can be completely hands-off while one of your outsourcers runs this system. You can add different pages, you can add different accounts, really flexible. Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, WordPress, it manages the updates for all of it. So if you're working with a client, this is a fantastic solution for you to do that. All right, well, this has been a long video because there's a lot inside of this software, but what I really encourage you to do is have a look at the system itself, what's inside of here. It's a slightly higher price, but as a result of that, you're getting a ton with it. And if you're looking for an all-in-one system to manage all of your social media, this is probably one of the most complete systems that I've seen to date. And I really like the content box feature. I think there's a lot of benefit in that. And you can categorize all your different content, grab that content whenever you want, post it to pages whenever you want, and build up a big library of content that people on social media are going to be really interested in. And your clients are going to have a lot of value in using as well. So thank you for listening. This is Sam Becker. If you've hung on this long, thank you. I really appreciate it. Go down below, see all the information. Make sure you check out their bonuses, and I look forward to talking with you again soon. See you later.